is my allergies seem to be like not as bad today, so hopefully, you know, it doesn't get worse throughout the day. So if you watched my previous video, you already know that I had issues with my mic, but I didn't realize until after the cruise was over, so I had to do voiceovers for some clips, including this one. Today is day 3 of the cruise. We will have a port stop at Georgetown, Cayman Islands. It's a tendering port, which means our cruise ship is actually anchored offshore, so passengers need to transfer onto a smaller boat, which will then take us to port. First time in Georgetown and first time in the Cayman Islands, so no idea what to expect, so let's see. Thunderstorm and I see some clouds back there, so yeah, not good. Hopefully it doesn't start raining out of nowhere. We're at a small little beach where you can dip your feet. Yeah, if you see the clouds back there, came out of nowhere, it might start raining. So we just got back from Georgetown. It was so hot, we got really sweaty. Yeah, so like the clouds, you know, there was a cloud overcast, but it didn't actually rain, so good news. But yeah, so because we didn't book any excursions, it wasn't very like too exciting. We just kind of stuck around port and wandered around. So you know, there was shopping, you can eat and stuff like that. We just like wandered around town. Didn't really do much. We did stop by like this beach, but it was really just like a small section of sand, and you know, you could like dip your feet in or whatever. Yeah, so the water was like gorgeous, like on the boat ride over, but not so close to shore. It wasn't like, it was like a bunch of wash up, like, you know, to wash up from the sea. So we didn't really get to experience like the beautiful waters that the Cayman Islands is known for. But yeah, so if I come back, I would definitely book some excursions and, you know, venture out of the port for sure. All right, we got room service. Hey, what's the first thing? Cheesecake. Look how cute that is. Okay, what else we got? The wings. Oh my gosh. There's more wings, I think. Ooh, pizza. Margarita pizza. More wings. These wings are so good. They're like our favorite. This is the baked macaroni and cheese. Oh, chicken noodle soup. So off the menu, we got these Uncrustables. So here's a little secret for you guys. There's a secret menu. It's not on the menu, but you can get Uncrustables. So good. And also everyone's favorite Mickey bars, these premium Mickey bars. And actually the cheesecake was cake of the day, so that was also. Yep. Alright, so gonna dig in now. Be right back. Oh, and I forgot we also got oatmeal raisin cookies. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, cookies. So we just got a notification on our Disney Navigator app that the Shimmering Seas Fireworks is rescheduled for today, so I'm so excited. So hopefully there's no technical difficulties tonight with that and the weather's cooperating. Just really want to see these fireworks. So yeah, super excited for that. So yeah, you know, can count on Disney for their 5-star service and trying to, you know, make us happy and make it all, you know, work out. Oceanaires Club open house. Okay. into Tangled.
And then can you take the popcorn and I'll take my pop? Thank you, ma'am. Are you serious? No, you're very sweet.
Well, you go ahead and... I'm sharing the popcorn with you.
We're waiting on Tangled the musical.
One more time for the Walt Disney Theater cast.
Hi, Mickey! Hi, Minnie! Hi, Minnie! So cute. Animator's Palate. Waiting on the fireworks, so we'll be up there. Hopefully everything works out today. Super excited.
Well, everyone, we have just 5 minutes. 5 minutes until our fireworks show starts. And we want you to know that the fireworks are going to be going off the starboard side. So everyone make sure you get a good view of that starboard side.
Well, a very good evening, everyone, and thank you for coming back. First and foremost, thank you for last night and for all your understanding. Yeah, happy birthday, Disney Magic and Disney Cruise Line.
Okay, we just had the fireworks and it was amazing, as expected with any like Disney fireworks. It was very short, but very still very worth it. I'm so glad it worked out.